I gave you my heart.
What up, bassheads? Well, I just want to jump on here and let you guys know what's been going on with me this week. Man, it's been, besides it being extremely cold, I mean, going from snow to ice. Right now, the sun's been out all day, but the snow that was on top of like the carport here and the house and everything else has been melting, but then it's dripping onto the concrete, and right behind the car here, you can't even stand. You'll just fall to the ground. It's just nothing but ice on the concrete. So yeah, so haven't been able to do anything, and not just because of that. Also, I don't know how I got it, but like Friday after work, I helped put a toilet in and some pipes and stuff with my uncle over here for my dad, and we went to some hardware stores and went to Walmart, and I by Sunday night I was sick, and I was sick all week real bad. Like I had headaches. They wasn't throwing up sick or nothing, just bad headaches, real cold chills, weak. So I went and got a COVID test. Mine was one they had to send off and stuff like that, but I got the results back, and yeah, I was positive. So I'm kind of quarantined till I guess Wednesday or something, so I can't really go anywhere or do anything or none of that. So, but I decided to throw this little video up since I'm feeling better than I was, a lot better, and just let you guys know and everything. And also keep my dad in your prayers because he's got it too. He went to the hospital yesterday, and they tested him. He's back home and everything. He's doing a lot better, but he's 81, so, you know, the older people, they need more prayers than me. I'll make it, but I can't even believe that I got it. I mean, it's been going on 2 years, and it's the first time I've been sick. Knock on wood, hopefully I don't know more. And hopefully it don't come back on me because, you know, they say it comes in waves and stuff. So as soon as it warms up some and, you know, and I get past this quarantine and everything, I'm going to get back on this, dudes. You know, I got that Matt's amp and everything else. And I was going to just try like this because I got this wired at 1/2 ohm because these are 2 dual 4 ohm subs. And I got them wired parallel down to 1 ohm. I was going to run them in series parallel, I guess that is, to 4 ohms, which would split between the 2 amps because I got them strapped and make it 2 ohms. So my voltage might not drop until I can get the electrical situation. I think I need a bigger alternator because when I turn the head unit on, there's a little drag on the, I can hear it. I can hear the engine and everything drag down. So it's time for some upgrades and stuff, and that'll come. But, you know, like I said, I haven't worked since last week. I hadn't worked the whole week or nothing because of being sick. It sucked, dude. My head hurt so bad. I didn't even want to, like, I couldn't even stand the light. The light was sensitive to my eyes. Anyway, I got some other things I'm going to tell you guys later on, so be sure to stay tuned. I want to make sure that, you know, everything's cool with it before I make any of those announcements. But everything else is going great. As you see, I still love the system. It's still sounding good, even though I haven't had a chance to do anything with it. But I appreciate all you guys' support. Hope you liked the little video I put up of Dave. I know it was in the Mecca show, but I felt like he needed his own video. You know what I mean? So there's some people on TikTok, they keep requesting me to do Little John Bend It Over, which I don't know that I have that song on my USBs. And I got thousands of songs. I had to go through them. But I did find it on YouTube, which I don't like playing YouTube songs through here because it's clipping. You know, that's why I play the USBs because, you know, they're rebased by good, you know, professionals that I trust, like DJ Rustico, DJ Slow and Throws, you know, even some of his, you know. But anyway, appreciate all y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the Bass Junkie 2020 group on Facebook. Thanks for following me on TikTok, and that's at Bass Junkie 2020, all lowercase. It's been a rough week. We're we're bouncing back from it. Supposedly it's supposed to be cold, real cold all week. So I don't know. But as soon as we get through this winter, like I said, that other video, you know, however long that takes, we'll be back on track. Sometimes I really, really miss Florida. But they even been getting cold. I heard it was like 32 down there where I'm from. I don't know. Been weird weather, you know, weird weather. Very cold. So anyway, appreciate it all y'all. And check this out real quick. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Like!
Gon' stare, I don't really care, I'm a motherfucking player, I never tell you stop. I'ma hit it right, girl, and make it last. 'Cause I like stand back. So fat. You neck crack. Sit down. Jump. And then you're right back. 'Cause I like it like that. So once again, coming through with a tight man that you will get some more. If you start to do this, it's so good. I'ma hit it right, girl, and make it last. 'Cause I'm I wanna send a special shout out to all the females with the matching bags. That shit.